So I also wanted to understand, like, you have this family legacy, and now you're helping, like, all these startups, example, scale the plants and the bigger MSME scale up, and you're not only helping MSMEs in India but a lot in Africa and across the world. So what has been the role of luck in your business?
Hard work. I don't believe in luck.
Huh.
I'm a very grounded person. I don't believe in luck. I just let it flow naturally. Okay. Whenever time says that you have to do this, you have to be very adaptive, you have to be very innovative, and you have to go according to the flow.
Okay.
I have never never realized that luck is there.
You just focused on hard work and dedication.
Just focus on your, be spontaneous, live according to the time, according to the trend, be flexible, be adaptive, and the rest you get the results. Okay, means in our engineering or in science, it is physics, it is that whatever action you do, there is a reaction.
Correct.
Okay, and it is not that if the action is good, the reaction will be good. It will be bad also.
Correct.
But the thing is, you have to
learn
keep your
from
work.
it.
You have to learn from it, and you have to keep
constantly moving.
You have to be very much into that flow of living the life.
Correct.
Okay, so I have never believed in luck and all these things.
Okay.
And
you focused on hard work.
I focus on hard work. Like,
so the government of India, like, under PM Modi's leadership, has got this Make in India initiative, and so, and they are scaling it up in terms of making it more effective now. So obviously, so a lot of support you would have got from the government, or you have seen that the other startups are also getting the support. These are the people who are trying to buy these new machines. These are the people who are trying to scale these machines, or this could be you also. So what is your ask from the government that the government can do this also to amplify and help these startups grow more, and also for companies like you to create the brand India globally? So what is your ask from the government?
my ask from government is, means what do you say? Means I had a particular word in my mind, just forgot.
Okay.
I seek for the government, means what I seek from the government is to ease up the business, okay, to make people reach out to other global countries.
Okay.
How? Like chambers of commerce.
Okay.
Create such groups of youngsters, means chambers of commerce, support the chambers of commerce of other countries also.
So you're talking about more about international exposure to being rich.
Look, there are only three ways to be rich. First is to export. You will be super rich. Second thing is gold. You keep investing in gold, it will spike up. Third is land, because these three things are basics. Now gold requires funds. Instead of putting in gold and waiting for 2 years to return, okay, it takes time. Land and properties and putting the properties into rent means it's a stuff of a responsibility. You have to keep a track on that. But increasing export, making export ease, that is what I seek from the government.
Okay.
There has to be portals, there has to be, like, now the government has evolved. By the use of technology, they have made so many certifications easily available on the fingertips. So that is what is required in exports also. Okay. Even the more you go for exports, the inflation will be reduced. Okay.
Foreign exchange will also come.
Foreign exchange also will come into control. So inspiring youngsters to focus on exports. Even for visiting countries, government should support. There has to be universities, government universities, and all that educational stuffs, and they should tell the students or take the students out. No doubt you take the fees, but take the students out to expose to the market. Nowadays people are going for studies in UK, USA, in Australia, New Zealand. They do job over there, but none of that person thinks that let me do business and underdeveloped country. Let me search for an underdeveloped countries like third world, African countries, Papua New Guinea. There's so many countries, even Latin American countries.
Correct.
No one thinks of going there and starting the business or exporting there. Youngsters I'm talking about the youngsters nowadays.
Correct.
They just want an easy going life.
Correct.
I guarantee you that if you start a business or if you start exporting to Africa, these Latin American countries,
Colombia,
Mexico, all that stuff. Even Europe also is exporting, importing many items. US also is importing many items. If you focus on that, why China is so much progressed and the GDP is so high? It's only because of their exports. They are very easy. Means there are the shipping agents, the export import. What do you say? The transactions is very easy.
And the reach and the aggressiveness
of Chinese people, and they have a very good mentality of working in a team.
And hard also.
Competition is very less in China. If I am making a soap machinery, you are also making a soap machinery. If you have got the order, then you'll give some parts to me to make it, to decrease the lead time for manufacturing. Okay, so that way of working is very, very good culture over there. In India, it is inter-competition. Okay, they will not let you get the order, they will not let us also get the order. The order will go to China. Okay, so the reach is very important. Okay, so I urge the government officials to make more easier ways to export. US dollar transactions also has to be very much easy. Now we get the payment by LC or by Swift, we get the payment. But the point is we have to go and submit the documents to the banks. All the banks have different formalities that we have, and we have to go. Instead, make it normal like a INR transactions. Yes,
like how the BRICS countries are trying.
Exactly.
That could be easier for you.
Very easier. And UPI is in Dubai now. Okay. Even in my company also, I have created my own. Means I have taken the services from CC Avenue.
Okay.
Payment gateway mode, where the customers can buy machines via EMI on credit cards for Indian customers. EMI, debit card, pay later. All that options I have made it available because my machinery is a depreciation thing. It is not an appreciation thing. So wherever there is depreciation, an Indian mindset is that let me get the machines by part payments because it is a depreciation thing.